In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to an email address in Squarespace. If you're building a website and want to enhance user interaction by letting them contact you directly through emails, this is a handy feature to learn. Linking an email address ensures visitors can easily reach out to you without navigating away from your site, making their experience seamless and engaging. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First off, let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to the login page. You'll find it right there on the main Squarespace website. Once you're there, hit that login button to begin. If you've previously set up your account, you can use the Continue with Google option, which instantly connects to your Google account, making the login process swift and straightforward. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of your websites displayed. Go ahead and click on the one you intend to work on today. This will take you to the main dashboard where all your editing options are conveniently located. Once you're on your website's dashboard, it's time to head over to the Edit section. You can find this by navigating to the top menu and selecting the Edit option. Here's where the creative magic happens. Now it's time to find the specific text you'd like to turn into an email link. As you browse through your content, identify the text you want to transform. Click right on that text to select it. A pencil icon should appear. This is your editing tool. Clicking the pencil icon will open the text editing panel. With the text highlighted, you'll see various editing options appear. Search for the link icon. It often looks like a small chain link. Clicking this will allow you to input a URL. But instead of a standard web address, we're doing something a little different. In the link field, type in mail to, followed by your desired email address. For instance, mail2example@domain.com. This special prefix tells the browser that upon clicking, an email client should open with your specified address as the recipient. Once you've entered the email address, don't forget to save or confirm your changes. Saving ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste, and that your visitors can now easily contact you with a simple click. That wraps up the process. You've now created a functional email link within your Squarespace website. Remember, this is a powerful tool to drive more direct communications with your audience. Feel free to add such links wherever necessary, maybe on your contact page, within your bio, or anywhere you deem appropriate to invite engagement. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for joining me today.